Let's summarize here. As you can see, HydroSal Color Protect is able to retain over 100% of the color in the hair. As a result of this, you can use it for twice as long in terms of number of cycles of shampoo and conditioner as a regular product. The formula is very easy to use. So for formulators, it's straightforward. They just make the formula and always add this technology at the end of the production. And for marketing, it's a very unique position. It's a technology that can substantiate a marketing positioning of color protection. Overall, I would like to summarize this. Salvona offers different solutions for hair. Here is a review. We divide them into three different groups: thinning and regrow, which we will talk over the next sessions. Natural color and color protection are the two products that we talk today. They are green. And then naturally beautiful are other products, HydroSal hemp we mentioned today. HydroSal hair energizer and HydroSal style protector will be discussed later on. And HydroSal heat protect we discussed last time. So this summarizes the different technologies for hair that we are going to continue and present over the next webinars. There are many more technologies to come, and I appreciate the time you take to listen to me, to learn the product, to review them again so you can explain them to your customer and to your colleagues, and we all can benefit from better product. The purpose of this is to share with you the information so you can be more successful in what you're doing.